Hi, Stephen from OWNorDisown. Eluktronics were kind enough to send me their Mech 17 to take a look at. It's my first review unit from them, so quick unboxing, first look, followed by full review. So let's see what options they have. Eluktronics has been in the market of making gaming laptops for about 8 years. In addition to laptops, they also do a range of peripherals like mice and keyboards, and they will be moving into desktops as well at some point. So as you can see, they have got a range of laptops. Of course, here they're showing 4, but what I have here is the Mech 17 with an RTX 2060. Now, Bob of All Trades has reviewed the Mech 15, so I encourage you to check out his channel for that. So one advantage of going with Eluktronics, of course, is that you can do a clean installation of Windows 10, and that's what my system will have. Now you can have a choice of the 8th gen or the 9th gen, so mine has a 9750H CPU, which is 2.6 to 4.5 gigahertz. It has a full HD 1080p 144 hertz IPS panel. It's Optimus, it's not G-Sync, but it does output to a G-Sync panel, I understand. Of course, mine has the GTX 2060, and it has Electro Boost as well. Now, this is only applicable if you have the 9th gen CPU, and what it does, it boosts the GPU to quite high levels. Certainly probably make it the fastest 2060 on the market. And my system has 16 gigabytes of RAM running in dual channel. But another advantage of Eluktronics, they can apply different paste. Now mine has a stock paste. We can always go up to liquid metal as well, should you wish. And of course, they can offer up to like a 3-year warranty. So my laptop is about $1,420 as configured. So let's take a look. So here you have it. Now it's available up to a 2070, full power 2070. But you know, with the Electro Boost, I believe the 2070 Max Q option will take it up to close to the 2070 anyhow. And this 2060 with the Max Q option will certainly probably take it within sniffing distance of the 2070 Max Q probably. So I'll put that to the test. But it's well packaged, good presentation, and what I did like, I had a plastic film over here protecting that. And you've got plastic film everywhere protecting everything. So that's a good sign that they're taking care to little details like that. Now, you might notice here there's a symbol here in the corner. Double press the top corner of the trackpad, and that will disable the trackpad on and off. It's very nice. Got aluminium here. This feels like aluminium at the deck as well. We're covered in a soft coat rubber type material, so that does feel very nice. Huge trackpad. That is very nice, very big. It's made of plastic, but it feels very nice. And then underneath, we have big feet at the back, which is good. Some good ventilation. And there goes smaller feet here at the front. And the speakers, you got a subwoofer here and 2 speakers here. Get inside, remove 12 Phillips head screws, remove the plastic cover. 2 stereo speakers, a subwoofer, 62 watt-hour battery, GPU, CPU. You'll notice we have 2 separate heat sinks here for the GPU, and again we have 2 separate ones for the CPU as well, with 1 shared one. Total of 4 heat sinks, dual channel RAM, and 2 PCI Express M.2 slots. Now the keyboard, as with all the Mech series, they have mechanical keyboards. So this is brown switches, and brown switches compared to blue switches are much quieter. There is definitely a click, but you've got much better feedback, tactile feedback when pressing them for sure. So that is really nice. And of course up top we have the power button, and pressing this button here switches it between office mode, gaming mode, and turbo mode. But of course we've got software to control the RGB per key lighting and everything else in there. The power supply is a 230 watt power brick. On the left hand side we have a Kensington lock, heat exhaust, Ethernet jack, USB type A, and separate microphone and headphone jacks. And on the right hand side, 2 USB ports type A and we have a SD card reader. That is great for us content creators and another event. Around the back, we have some more exhaust vents, of course. We've got 2 mini display ports. That's interesting. With an HDMI port, a USB Type-C port, and the power connector. So it's good to have some of these connections at the back. And here we have comparing the thickness with the MSI GF75 and the Mech 17. And there's not that much difference in it really. But if you look at the thickest end here, you know, we're looking at 1.25 inches thick there. And its weight is 5 pounds 11 ounces. And with the power brick, 7 pounds 9 ounces. CPU performance was pretty good as well here. Cinebench R20, 2,913 points using the max fan, and max temperature was 92 degrees Celsius. So testing the Electro Boost, first off, Fire Strike, using the gaming mode, and we scored a graphics score of 15,331, max CPU temperature of 81 degrees, and of course that's with max fan. Switching it to the Electro Boost, the graphics score went to 17,887, and that's with again max fans, max temperature 83 degrees on the CPU, and that is 3% faster than the 2070 Max-Q in my Dell G7. And looking at Time Spy, we see another great improvement switching from gaming mode with a graphics score of 5,781 points, and with the Electro Boost activated, that went up to a graphics score of 6,846, which is about just 1% faster than the 2070 Max-Q. Right, so there we have it. So remember, put in the comments below what you'd like me to test. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.